persons. Today we are in Motijaran Reserve Forest area, and this is a area of 58.57,421 hectares. It is a restricted area, and this is declared as a polythene free zone. You see, this area come under Sambalpur Municipal Corporations, and this is completely forest road, and this road is maintained by both forest department and Sambalpur Municipal Corporations, but this area become encroached by many people in the downside, and in upside if you go there are forest officers colonies and therefore residents. The important thing is that there are 600 to 1000 encroachment is inside the forest reserve forest area, but the forest departments fail to evict them from the forest land. You see, it is a dense forest area, and it is in the heart of the town of Sambalpur city. You see, it is a conservator of forest office. We are just in front of this, and this road is purely been a jungle road. You see, I am showing you step by step, and this is the forest upside. There is a deer park and all the important central government office like Microbe Towers, Sambalpur Doordarshan Kendra shut up in the top of the hill. It is in fact hill road, hill area. You see the road, it is gone up to Sunapali. You see the road. So dear friends, it is uniqueness of our Sambalpur city. Nowhere in the country having such a place where there is a river, there is a hill, there is a mountain, and forest, natural forest, which inside the city area. You see, this is a completely forest area, and the uniqueness of this area is this: this has been declared as a polythene free zone, but that has not been maintained. You see, it is declared in pen and paper that's polythene free, but in fact, in practical, how it is free of polythene, I'm showing you. Everywhere you can see polythene. You see the polythene here. Again, I'll show you there how the people dumping and throwing polythene in this area. We have found that the people should come forward to maintain the forest and develop the forest, but here the people not so conscious for the conservation, protection and preservation of forest land. You see, this road, the forest department pleased to allow the public, but if the forest department wants, they can close down this road, as it is the road in between of the reserve forest. You see what the forest department has mentioned here. You see, this is the main gate here, but how it is polythene free zone, you see. So we urge the concerned DFO of Sambalpur Forest Division district administration head, district collector, concerned minister to protect and conserve this particular reserve forest and make it more beautify, and the illegal evictions, the illegal encroachment should be immediately been evicted and clean the area for the betterment of the reserve forest, and the forest department shouldn't allow the unauthorized persons in this zone, as it is a restricted forest area, but here is no any person to verify or to check the identity. So once again, on behalf of Mahanadi Time Media Productions, we urge the DFO Sambalpur and senior officer of forest department to look into the matter and act accordingly. Jai Hind.